From the beginning of ancient civilizations, the search for knowledge and need for expansion was imminent. Little priority and appreciation was given to the conservation of nature. Humans have a significant impact on the well-being of our planet. We are changing the planet irreversibly for agriculture, industry and urbanization. The Industrial Revolution initiated the development of human societies, and populations started growing rapidly.
Our lives depend on biological diversity. Species and ecosystems are disappearing at an unsustainable rate. We humans are the cause.
Biodiversity is life, and therefore for us to be able to live on this planet, we have to conserve that diversity of life.
Stone Age emotions. We live and kowtow to medieval institutions, and we have godlike technology, and that's a dangerous combination.
Conserving biological diversity heavily relies on the conservation of creatures normally unnoticed. These creatures are called insects. The town of Stellenbosch, with an estimated population of 200,000, is situated in one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. The vegetation mainly consists of fynbos. The town and surrounding areas is heavily transformed into fragments. The fragmentation of landscape divide patches of natural habitat and may become isolated. Species are lost over time in the fragments. Invasive vegetation like pine plantation and eucalyptus trees affect the function of the ecosystem by changing the hydrology. This also contributes towards loss in insect biodiversity. Insects provide important ecosystem services, of which pollination is one of the most important. It is essential for reproduction of flowering plants in fynbos. Carpenter bees from the family Anthophoridæ got the name from tunneling into woods to make their nests. Only the female has a sting, but is docile unless provoked. Ants are in the family Formicidae and is closely related to bees. They live in colonies and have colonized almost every landmass on Earth. Ants provide the soil with organic material and continuously change the soil. Some fynbos species rely on ants for dispersal of their seeds. Other insects such as beetles are also abundant in fynbos, and they play an important role in the ecosystem. Natural habitat fragments act as a safe haven for insect populations. Roads in urban areas can inhibit the movement of insects. Trees and gardens serve as important food and shelter for insects and can also serve as a means of dispersal by connecting different fragments. During windy days, plants may be used as refuge for tied carpenter bees searching for nectar. Insect diversity declines towards the center of urban areas. Urban nature reserves are important in providing habitats for insects away from the dangerous city life. A common household pest such as the fly even gets refuge. Aquatic features such as dams and rivers offer essential habitats in any ecosystem. As the saying goes, just add water. The water strider in the family Geridae exploits these habitats efficiently. They are adapted to transfer their weight to be able to run on water surface. Their diet consists of living and dead insects on the water surface and sometimes injured dragonflies and mayflies. They are important in controlling insect populations. Healthy ecosystems depend on features present in a reserve like this. Gardens play an important role in the life of insects in urban areas. The flowers they pollinate provide them with food and us with a beautiful garden. Habitats for ground-dwelling insects just got smaller and they need to gather resources in a limited area. Termites in the family Termitidae are social insects that live in underground nests. They divide their labor to serve the queen, take care of the young and to protect the nests from predators. Termites contribute to the recycling of organic matter. Flying insects hop from garden to garden in search of nectar. They can become prey for larger animals such as spiders, lizards and birds. Special associations form in our backyards where insects and plants share the benefits. Hoverflies are in the family Syrphidae and are important pollinators. They are harmless, but mimics more dangerous wasps and bees as a survival strategy. Although the fragmentation of landscapes has a negative influence on biodiversity, urban areas may still provide means of survival through natural remnants, nature reserves, and gardens. Urban landscapes have intricate ecosystems with new adaptations forming in order to survive, subsequently providing ecosystem services such as food and recreation. In this world there is room for everyone, and the good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful, but we have lost the way. Charlie Chaplin.
Little boxes made of ticky-tacky, little boxes on the hillside, little boxes all the same. There's a green one and a pink one and a blue one and a yellow one, and they're all made out of ticky-tacky and they all look just the same.